The Wanbo Mozart 1 Pro is a sophisticated projector designed to elevate your home entertainment experience. With its sleek black design, Android TV 11, and Netflix compatibility, this projector offers a seamless blend of style and functionality. From its powerful built-in speakers to its advanced optical technology, the Mozart 1 Pro is packed with features that cater to movie lovers, gamers, and tech enthusiasts alike. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. The package includes the projector itself, a remote control, a user manual, and a power adapter with a power cord. The Mozart 1 Pro boasts a beautiful black design with a built-in speaker on the side and a high-concentration optical lens on the front. The bottom of the projector features a built-in stand with a 0 to 7 degree adjustment, allowing you to achieve the perfect viewing angle. On the back, you'll find the power input, USB port, HDMI port, and a headphone jack, providing a variety of connectivity options for different devices. The Mozart 1 Pro runs on Android TV 11, giving you access to over 8,000 apps, including Netflix, Prime Video, and more. This means you can stream your favorite content directly from the projector without needing any additional devices. The projector is Widevine DRM L1 certified, ensuring the highest level of security for streaming services, allowing you to enjoy 1080p content without any issues. At the heart of the Mozart 1 Pro is the Wanbo Pixel Pro 5.0 full-closed optical machine, which offers a 45% increase in transmittance, a 60% boost in clarity, and a 35% improvement in heat dissipation efficiency. This results in high brightness, uniform light path, low noise, and efficient heat dissipation, extending the lifespan of the light source to over 30,000 hours. The projector delivers 900 ANSI lumens of brightness and a native 1080p resolution with a 90% DCI P3 color gamut, ensuring vibrant and accurate colors. The AI-powered image enhancements include autofocus, auto keystone correction, auto screen fit, and intelligent obstacle avoidance, making setup and use incredibly easy. The built-in 16-watt speaker system with a 660cc cavity volume, providing rich and immersive sound. The external sound wave vibrational magnetic levitation impact technology ensures high-quality audio, making the Mozart 1 Pro a great choice for watching movies, playing games, or listening to music. For gamers, the Mozart 1 Pro offers a smooth and delay-free experience, thanks to its game mode. The projector supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, as well as Bluetooth, ensuring stable and fast connections for streaming and gaming. The inclusion of Chromecast allows you to easily mirror your phone or tablet screen, expanding your entertainment options. One of the standout features of the Mozart 1 Pro is its efficient cooling system. The projector is equipped with 3 cooling fans that provide excellent heat dissipation while maintaining a noise level of less than 35 decibels. The Wanbo Mozart 1 Pro is a versatile and powerful projector that brings high-quality entertainment to your home. Its sleek design, robust features, and impressive performance make it an excellent choice for movie enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone looking for a reliable and stylish projector. With Android TV 11, powerful built-in speakers, advanced optical technology, and efficient cooling, the Mozart 1 Pro delivers a premium viewing experience that is hard to beat. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.